Okay, now looking at example 1F on page 121. In this version, you're going to be playing a two-handed accompanimental pattern where the left hand plays a bass note and the right hand plays a triad, and a pattern has been given to us. Notice we play one measure on and then one measure off, okay, where you just play the downbeat here, okay, and one measure on and one measure off. So we're going to follow this same pattern here. Okay. So let's do some analysis here. We are in the key of A major with the three sharps here. They start us off with just a one chord, and notice how we start with the root here and then the fifth of the chord here. A, and then E, A, just like that. A, E, A in the left hand. In the right hand, it's a one chord in the 6/4 inversion. E, A, C sharp. So that's going to be our starting point, is the one chord in first or second inversion. So we have a one chord here, and then we have a one chord here. I'm going to put a rest here just to let us know that we're resting there, and that we're resting here. Okay, this is also a C sharp. Really no need to change the chord. And then we can go to a 4 chord here. I think makes a lot of sense. And then a 5 chord here with the rest here. Stay on a 5 chord. Rest. Still a 5 chord. Rest. And then I think 5 chord again. And 1 chord. Again, we're just keeping it very simple. Now, if you wanted to make it a little bit more complex, you certainly could. So every time you see the 1, you're going to play exactly what's written here. On this 4 chord here that happens at this bar, it's going to be just the bass note because we have the rest here. So the 4 is a D, so that's what you're going to play in the left hand at that point. So basically, if I were to superimpose these two bars over here, you would change this note to a D on the downbeat. That's what you would do, like that. So the left hand would play A, E, D, like that. Okay? That's what you're going to do there. All right. And then we get the 5 chord, and the 5 chord, because we are in second inversion of the 1 chord, the 5 chord in the right hand, and keep in mind this is bass clef, will just be E, G sharp, and B, just root position, like this. Okay? That's going to be the 5 chord in the right hand. And because the left hand is already kind of in this A position here, for the 5 chord, we'll just play E, then B, and then back to E when it's playing. E, B, E, which is still the root and the fifth and the root. Now we could shift up to E position, but this will make it pretty easy too. So let's go over what the left hand's going to be playing first. All right, and we're basically starting off by reading what's up here. So it's going to be playing A, then E, then A, and again, A, E, A, and and then A, E, then it goes to D, and then E, B, E, and again E, B, E, and again E, B, E, and again E, B, E, and then A, like that. So that's what we're doing with the left hand. Very, very simple. The right hand's even simpler. When it's a one chord, we're playing E, A, and C sharp on the offbeats. 1 and 2 and then rest for one measure. 1 and 2 and rest for one measure. 1 and 2 and rest for one measure. Then go to the 5 chord. 1 and 2 and rest for one measure. And that's all you're doing basically. Okay? So we should be ready to put it together. So notice we're never actually playing the 4 chord in the right hand. We're just doing that D in the left hand. Okay, so the right hand's just playing an A major chord and an E major chord. Okay, here we go. Let's do this. So left hand is in A position, and right hand is E, A, C sharp, ready for the 1 chord. 1 and 2 and here we go. And 1 and 2 and 1. Rest. Ready again. 1 and 2 and 1 and rest. A, E, then to D and rest. 5 chord. E, B, E, 2, 3 again. E, 2, E, 2, and again. E, B, E, one more time, and E, B, E, and back to the 1 chord. And you could just play as a block there if you wanted to. Or if you wanted to, you could do the pattern one more time. Like that. Either is perfectly fine.